Kesarkar jela kelak keren syai baya kejingtung bami haki klau kum yusong merit klau usla terpat bersensar penemlak setia ban itu iki kum kimarab haba jubab ya kejingkli bala anda du MLA gamau senram uba Himalaya Muktan Changpliang na kaliang menteri rang ba kejela ukan rat ke sangma ulong ba kesarkar kan memlak setia ban pelong kimarab yusong merit usla terpat baya sensar Henry kan pelajpat na kejingken kum kimar klau na kebawan ra ya kejing penkala ha Meghalaya Forest Regulation and Application Act kat kendai spa nyu fulai ukan rat ulong ban penbej ya kene kekam kadai kebae namar hab bandan benta bat bon teli ketana sarkar Henry ulong pat bag sarkar kan kemi benya ban la ban penbej no kham kloi ulai ethu baya ka khajna na kini kimar haduk menta lalum na ketana klau ke sarkar jela bat ya kijaka bahab apok kejing pej ke district council lalum hi de district council Shushu long bakajing wanra ya kajing penkala ha Meghalaya Forest Regulation and Application Act kat kendai spa nyu fulai ya kini kajing tung anom khenshu kum ki mar klau bat kelait no na ka khajna shwa ya kini na kaliang menteri ke kamrep ba bantedo lingdo ula pendikena ba ya kini ka kam on pendep no tang hapo a nilai banai bat ulong bakakam kadang yat menta ban pelait ya kita kajing tung kum ki mar klau na kaliang ba sang pliang ula penpau ya kajing songhon ya kini karai jong sarkar Kamtam bagi kita jingtung kelait no na jingsha lom khajna.
The demand of the farmers, which has been long pending to convert broomstick and tejpata into agriculture product from forest products, will be forthcoming.
Sir, I'd just like to make a small clarification in this, that it will not be agriculture product, but a non-forest product. It is a forest product right now, and it will be treated as a non-forest product. So that is what it will be. Agriculture definition is different, so it will not fall under the agriculture definition, but it will be a non-agriculture product, and the non-forest product, I'm sorry. And this will require an amendment that is to be done in an act, and that amendment is what we'll have to put forward. So therefore, it's an issue, sir, that's been very important for us also, and we have been having continuous meetings with the Forest Department, the DCA Department, and the Agriculture Department. All have been coordinating. It has got different effects in different departments, so therefore all have to converge. And we intend to, as I said, amend this particular act, which is the Meghalaya Forest Regulation Application and Amendment Act 1973. So it will become a non-forest product.
The decision of the government on considering it as a non-forest product, that will be all right, sir, provided, sir, that these products are not taxable, sir. These products are being taxed in the forest check gates. So once they are non-forest products or non-agriculture products, nonetheless, they should not be taxable, sir.
Honorable Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, said since a broomstick, tejpata and wild black pepper is a non-forest product, may I know from Honorable Minister whether the department is getting revenue or not from this three type of products, sir?
This crops now is under taxation of different concerned department, but once we once we resolve this matter, I think it should not be taxable, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, my question is different than what original question have been asked. So my question regarding with this matter, since broomstick, tejpata and wild black pepper have been treated as a non-forest product, may I know from the Minister, for the last many years, is there any revenue collected from these three products, sir? Revenue collected?
No. So the reason why, so number one, that this actually is not an agriculture subject. That's number one, sir. So therefore, it should not technically have gone there. Sir, the issue is like this. It's a very, very, I should say, simple but yet complicated issue in the sense that there are Forest Department that is handling the forest revenue and the District Council Affairs, which is in the non-forest area. So wherever it's a forest area, the Forest Department collects the royalty, and whenever it's a non-forest area, the District Council Affairs collects the royalty.